time. This is the sock of the day. Huzzah, it's a fluffy sock. Beautiful, okay. Now, I bought these face paints earlier, a lot earlier. I'll do a separate video with these. I did it this morning, but everybody just walked into my filming area. My room, aka. My brother's like, oh, Tara, I need to use your room. I'm going to throw up. My mom came in. She's like, oh, my God, Tara, your face. Why are you face paint on? And the sparkles. Oh, my God, sparkles. So that ended very fast. I had to delete that. So I'll do a separate video with these. And then they have these little cute sparkles with gems and stuff like that. Oh, it's just cute. Okay. Okay, now, anywho. Guess what we got? We got our squishy package. Yes, there's a huge rip in the middle of it. So I'm not going to pull it out of the middle. I'm definitely going to pull it out of the top. That's where it ripped, right there. Yeah, you can't see that. That's where it ripped right there. So I'm just going to try and open the top of it. The top of it actually ripped a little bit. I don't know if you can see it, like right there. So I'm just going to rip it up right there. And we got handy dandy scissors. Okay. So I did order this a couple days ago, so I'm really excited to see what squishy it is. I had ordered 2 squishies. One's a little strawberry and one's a hot dog. I think this might be the strawberry? Not quite sure. Strawberry was a little more dense. The cakes were just way too dense for me. They even said on the little thing density, so it was me. I might buy them. I don't know. Let's get this one open though. I'm going to try and read the Spanish for all you Spanish folks. So this is the brand I bought it from. Dos et Dos. Formerly, I just slipped. Ameliori. Ultrad Ox. Well, let's see on the back of this thing more Spanish. It just ripped. Life is going well. I feel like this was... Bro. Somebody opened this. I used to gotta buy stuff. Somebody opened this package previously and then stuck that back in it like this. And then just like closed it, rolled it up, and then packaged it and shipped it to me. I should not buy from the cheap sites I can buy stuff on. Oh my God. Anywho, I'm just going to finish reading this thing. Move that aside. Do not eat. Nas pas consumir. No comer. Lel content varier. They have a YouTube channel. I don't care. Okay. Get out. Okay. Let's see the squishy that has already been opened. There's no defects. I'm happy. Really? I hate it when they do this. They put the numbers on the bottom of the squishies. It's pretty good. Oh my God, it's really soft. Show me what's making you. Boy. For a stubbed toe and a hurt ankle, I did those pretty well, I think. No, I didn't. Those sucked. So here it is. Oh, it wasn't the strawberry. It's a hot dog. But this is it. It has one little lime mustard. Little buns. Ow. That hurt. Okay, anywho. So, yeah. You know what I love to do with squishies? Put slime on them. It's a trick slime. No, it's not. It's not trick slime. Slime just stuck to the top. When I made this a crunchy slime, it decided not to stretch anymore. And so now it's just like a slime. And doesn't stick to anything. Okay, I'm going to put that back and throw it in the trash can. Go away. Out of my sight. Anywho, back to squishies. This is a pretty good squishy. My rate out of 10 is 8.5. It's a pretty good squishy. It's soft. It has no defects. It's really cute on the cute scale. Like, who has buns these good and bronze? You're not going to find this anywhere. It's really slow rising. Nice buns. It's cute. It's soft. No defects. The only thing I don't like about this squishy is the number, and they engraved this into the bottom of it, which not all squishies have, but they engraved it into that one, and they printed their number on the bottom. That's the only thing I don't like. And they put them in the packages, so when they're on the shelves, they're faced like this, so you can't see the backs. And you can't like see the backs until you take them out of the package, sort of, because all of the other ones, I was wondering why this looked different. All the other ones have backs to them. The person who sold this to me gave me no back because they took it out, so that's nice. So overall, I like the squishy, and I also don't like that somebody used this before me. Like, it was very, very clear that this is not sealed at all. And it's also very clear that they took no time packaging this or shipping it nicely. So they're basically like, "Here's your package, goodbye." We shipped it. It actually landed, no joke. Okay, no close-up anymore. But overall, I like the squishy. I'll be doing more of these videos. Hopefully, some slime ones. So I will see y'all later. Peace!